Okay, so got a little rain here. We made a new downspout, and people are asking me how does it work, so I thought I'd show. It's called a chain, a rain chain, and the water comes down. I'm trying not to get my phone too wet. The downspout, I'm not going to go out in the rain, but the chain guides the water down. It catches probably 80% of the water, a little bit splashing the side, but it goes right down into my beautiful drain. The drain is a concrete box with a drain in the bottom filled with lava rock. I think it's working pretty good. I'm kind of proud of it. Pretty cool, huh? I hope I don't get struck by lightning. That would suck. Pretty cool, huh? I got a couple leaks in the gutter I gotta fix too. See that? Not good. But that's pretty cool. And I don't know if you can hear the water going through the chains, but that's pretty cool too. Holy cow, we're getting a lot of water. My sidewalk is like a little river. Wow, where is all that water coming from? Everything off the patio. Oh, there's my sail shade. Yep. Washing right down there. So we got a new little river. Okay, so that's it. That's my rain chain. I'm happy. It's working.